Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about vapor honing before and after. So in my hand I have a before piece that has not been cleaned up, that is very rusty. It's pitted in these areas. Vapor honing will clean this up. It will not remove the pitting. And now, through the magic of TV, we're back with a piece identical that has been cleaned up. You can still see the pitting in the areas where the rust has got into the metal, but I think you can agree that this part, definitely after vapor honing, looks much better than what the original part did. This is vapor honing before and after, just showing you what can be done with vapor honing. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. My extension is 108. Thanks for watching.